Hello everyone, this is Zhang Yu, and I'm taking this video to discuss the solution for the questions in my homework 4. And this is the first question. Let's find and draw the CDF of y and PDF of y. First, from the function of g of x, we can draw the g of x. It's like this. G of x, and this is x. When x is less than 0, g of x equals 2. And when x is no more less than 0 and less than 1, it equals 0. And when x is between 1 and 2, it is like minus x plus 1. And when x is greater than 2, it equals minus 1. So we have known that the capital F of y equals the probability of g of x is no more greater than y, and equals, we can also divide it into 4 sections. That is, that equals 0. It's obvious, and for y is less than 1, minus 1, and when y is no more less than minus 1 and less than 0, we can know that it equals the probability of x greater than 1 minus y. And similar, we can find it equals probability of x is no more less than 0 for y is between 0 and 2. And when y is greater than 2, it equals 1. And so we can furtherly, it equals y when y is less than minus 1, and equals 1 minus capital F of x, 1 minus y. You know it equals the probability of x is greater than 1 minus y. And when y is between minus 1 and 0, and equals 1 minus capital F of 0 when y is between 0 and 2, equals 1 when y is greater than 2. So we have found the CDF of y. So how can we get the PDF of y? And it's fy of y equals the derivative of capital F of y. It equals when y equals minus 1, it is 1 minus capital F x of 2 plus 1, and it equals fx of 1 minus y for y is greater than minus 1 and less than 0, and equals ff1 minus capital of fx0 delta times delta y when y equals 0, and equals capital F of x0 times delta y minus 2 when y equals 2, and it equals 0 otherwise. So we can first, let's draw the f of x. It's like this, And from this, we can get the CDF of x. It is when x is minus infinity minus 1. This is 1, 0. This is capital F of x. And from the function, we can know that capital F of y is minus 1 and 1, 2. And this is 1 minus capital F of 2. And this is 1 minus capital F x of 1. And this is 1 minus capital F of 0. And this equals 1. And furtherly, we can get the PDF of y. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. When y equals minus 1, it equals 1 minus capital F of x2 times delta y plus 1. So, like this. And this area equals 1 minus capital F of 2. And when y equals 0, we get it equals capital Fx of 1 minus capital Fx of 0. And when y equals 2, it is capital Fx of 0. And otherwise, Fy of y equals 0.